Thank you. Good morning, Chairwoman Velazquez, Ranking Member Shabat, and members of the committee. My name is Drew Greenblatt. I'm the president and owner of Marlin Steel Wire Products in Baltimore, Maryland. Marlin was founded in 1968. We manufacture wire baskets, hooks, and wire forms. We have the capability to produce a wide range of custom products for our customers. Our products are used in industrial, aerospace, medical, and automotive factories and industries. We have clients like Caterpillar, Toyota, Boeing. Thank you for the opportunity to let us appear today, and on behalf of Marlin Steel Wire National Association of Manufacturers, we appreciate it. The NAM is the nation's largest industrial trade association, and we represent small and large manufacturers in every industrial sector in all 50 states. I'm pleased that you have addressed this subject of updating the Internal Revenue Code. It'll help small businesses stimulate the economy. The NAM's tax policy agenda is designed to promote U.S. jobs and competitiveness and ensure continued economic growth. I'd like to touch on a few of these specific concerns that we have, and they include making the income tax cuts permanent, providing a strengthened R&D credit, and repealing the 3% withholding requirement on all government contracts. Because Marlin Steel is an S corporation, we pay taxes at an individual rate. Many manufacturers like us are in the same boat. In fact, about half of all NAM members are similarly organized as flow-through companies, meaning they pay individual rates. For us, the legislation passed in 2001 and 2003 lowered the top individual tax rates. This has been very good for us. Lower tax rates mean more money after taxes to expand our operations and create new jobs. When enough manufacturers expand, we fuel economic growth. This translates into more money for the government to spend and lower deficits. It's paradoxical but true that lower rates mean higher tax revenues. Conversely, letting the Bush tax cuts expire effectively raises taxes in 2011. This will mean that we'll be thinking about cutbacks right in the middle of an economic downturn. There's been a lot of talk recently about raising taxes only on the upper brackets, but many folks in Congress think this means that they're only raising it on the super wealthy. But I'm here today to remind you that these rates will strike at the heart of small business. My tax return includes all of my business income, even though we've never paid a dividend. We pour every penny of profit back into the company to let it grow. This so-called profit that the IRS is taxing me on is not cash in my pocket. It's money that I keep in my company so we can buy another welding machine to make a basket like this right here. If my taxes go up, I'll have to have less money to buy that welding machine or less money to hire a welder in Baltimore. The toll will not only be paid by manufacturers like myself, but it's also going to be one less machine that the welding machine company sells. It's also going to be another unemployed person in Baltimore City. Wouldn't it be better off if I was buying new equipment? Wouldn't it be better off for me to be hiring new people and the unemployment rolls to be smaller? The R&D tax credit is also instrumental in maintaining our competitive edge. We're the primary innovator in the United States. Manufacturers understand that R&D drives new productivity. R&D is how we stay fresh, how we stay competitive. I can't compete with other countries when it comes to wages, so I have to win on innovation. Chairman Velazquez, let me give you a concrete example. Travers Tool is one of the excellent companies in your congressional district. They buy this basket right here from me. They resell it worldwide. No one is going to get rich from just this one basket model. Travers needs a steady flow of new, fresh ideas, new products that are competitive, that are different. We use this R&D tax credit to do our Thomas Edison imitation so we can be different, innovative, and fresh. This tax credit helps Marlin stay innovative and contributes to jobs in our district, in your district. Unfortunately, because it's a temporary nature of this R&D tax credit, it's on again, off again, the fact that we're never certain whether it's going to be extended, it's very hard for me to decide whether or not we should continue plowing ahead, reinvesting into the company. As of right now, the tax credit's expired. Because Congress failed to act, we're going to get hit with a big tax increase. Making this credit permanent would end the years of speculation, and it would give the business the certainty we need to plan ahead. In conclusion, the tax relief enacted in 2001 for families and businesses have played an important role in stimulating economic growth and job creation. Making this tax relief permanent will be an insurance policy for continued economic growth. Lowering tax rates, doing the permanent R&D credit are critical. Simplifying the tax code by repealing the 3% withholding, consolidating the AMT and in the existing tax structure, and repealing the state tax will go a long way towards helping the small business community. I want to thank you again, the committee, for the opportunity to be here today and talking about the tax code and its impact on Marlin Steel Wire. I'm happy to answer any questions.